converted the whole Subic Bay forest to their own military facilities. Aitas have already been living here. And their culture has been passed from generation to generation. That's why we highly regard them as the true owners of this forest. And indeed, this is their ancestral land. In the next few seconds po, they will perform 3 of their ritual dances. So for their first dance po, will be the dragonfly dance or sayaw ng tutubi. So whenever they see a group of dragonflies swarming around, this indicates the arrival of the rainy season. And along the rainy season comes the planting season. This is also the means of informing the whole tribe about the sudden changes of the weather. So once again po, the dragonfly dance.
Ma-chips ko.
Sabihin lang nila daw. Ah, galing. Apa?
So po, for their next dance naman po, is the monkey dance. So they do believe that monkeys are great hunters in the wild, and no other animals can touch a skill of a monkey in terms of hunting and foraging. So once again po, the monkey dance or sayaw na kumboy.
Takot nila. Gulat ka rin. Gulat ka naman. Takot niya makilat.
And for their next and last dance po, will be the war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani. So whenever misunderstanding arises between two tribes, they usually send their young men to the actual battlefield. But first, they would perform this dance to ask guidance from their god, called Apo na Malyari. To lead them in the victorious fight or somehow solve the problem into a peaceful manner. So once again po, the war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani.
Hindi din makaikot. Ano hindi? Naganita. Tayo. Parang siya napukapon. Napukal pa yun.
Nakaka-nervyos naman si Kuya. Kaya Kuya Martin.